It's what's keeping them in the game. 15 of 22 free throws. But it's still an insane number.
That's right. See if Master JK has an answer. Johnny Marilao.
Totoo. Masama talaga loob.
Parang mabigat pa rin ang loob mo sa pagkatalo ng Lakers.
Iba yung tanggap at iba yung tinanggap mo na masama pa yung loob mo.
Game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
This was a fast break by Meneses on the right side. Ito na ang Cebu. Uy! May nahanap sa ilalim. Hindi lang
Scotia
napanpan.
usually takes and makes that. Ito na siya. Short for that 14 points. This time around, another fast break for the other team. Alex Isoyo wide open. Leland pushing the ball. Ito sila kay Miggs. The jumper is good for Miggs Pascual. They're playing a little quicker here in the third quarter. Meneses. It's short, but Meneses keeps it alive.
Now, at the same time, the ball feels like seems to find him as well. Parang ano to no? May amo and dog relationship yung dating yung bola kasi.
Ayawal on the other side, short for CJ. Wawi keeps it alive.
It's good.
Gets the basket and one is Wawi Escocio.
Wawi doon. This was the miss of the three. Hindi na binaba yung bola. May contact. Tinira gets a friendly roll.
Wawi, we have.
He is a much improved hard worker. I think that's been evident, covering him. Started his...
Don Reverente. Bola para dito sa Rangani. Fake handoff. Lars Suma is blocked by Mark Meneses. Third try. Rangel able to get the finish.
22 of Cebu. Make that 23. And make that second chance number 24. So magkasunod, no?
Might is might on the side of Cebu.
Huwag mo na pa sa main lob mo. Okay. Heruela.
Wow! Deep under. The game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Parang Pinoy step din eh. Yan, no? Pero dinukot sa kabila.
Yun yung mahirap po, yung kinabila. Heruela attacks. Heruela hang time. Nothing there. Second chance, another offensive rebound for Cebu. But they want to get a run here. Mark Meneses already a double-double in the ball game. Heruela trying to outspeed everybody. That wrap-around pass going to Don Reverente.
Push the basket. You see how his eyes are always up. And the intention has always been to find the open man.
Heruela. Pick and roll. No look pass to the back.
Alam mo,
Quintariar.
the bench likes it, but his good friend Mike C won't. But Mike, I'm sure you like this. Itong pasa ni Ariar. The game in San Juan a couple weeks ago, he had a nice behind-the-back pass to beat the buzzer at the half.
Lock up with the ball. 3 versus 2. Pabalik kay Reverente. No whistle. 4 tries. Make this the fresh 14. Payawal. Straight line. Short.
Bad pass.
Meneses reading it well. High two-man game. Estacio with a lefty. Leland with a tough shot. Swing kay Meneses. Desiderio, step side. Desiderio finally gets a basket in the ball game. Paul gets a field goal. Half court. Short para kay Ivan Ludovice. And that 3 will get the lead.